guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this like person coming out of the TV frame edit on Camera PC. It's better if the video that you have is like actually you going out of like a frame, I guess, so like walking towards it or like jumping, but I only have this as a stock video, so it's okay. Go to effects and add in this TV1 effect on that video, and you're just going to add that video again on top. Go to cutout and select auto cutout, and then just go to basic, add in a keyframe and put the opacity to 0%, and then here when he waves or like when you jump, you're just going to put the opacity at 100%, so it looks like he's going out of the TV. You can also use masks and stuff, but just for this one I'm just going to use the opacity button. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!